Good afternoon, good evening, Caroline. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, hello, teacher.
Okay, good evening. How are you today? Great.
I'm good. I'm
Yeah.
good.
Okay, how's school? Tomorrow you will go back to school, right?
Yes,
Okay. So yeah, what's the weather in Vietnam now?
it's rain. It's raining.
Rainy? Oh, rainy? Really? In my country in
Yes,
Philippines, it's very hot. Yeah. Have you eaten your dinner? Not yet.
yes,
What did you eat?
I sandwich.
Sandwich?
Yes.
Oh, really? How about rice? You did not eat rice?
What?
You did not eat rice?
Just with just sandwich.
Sandwich. Oh my God, you're on diet? You want to be on diet? Teacher Anne
Mm.
is really hungry. So look at me. I'm eating here.
What are you eating?
Yeah, it's wait, huh? It's chicken. And then here. Do you have like this in Vietnam? Like this. It's like ubi.
It's like
Yes. That
it's like
oh ubi, huh? It's like sticky rice like this.
oh,
Yeah, do you like this? I don't know how do you call this in Vietnam. It's like sticky rice, but the color is purple. It's ubi. Do you have like this? Sticky rice. Do you have
no,
sticky
we don't.
rice? You don't?
No, we
Because
don't.
yeah, I
Yes,
asked my
yes, we have.
student, and my student told me, teacher, I'm not familiar. I don't know. But I also have fish. Fish. But do you eat fish, though, no? Caroline, do you eat
Yes.
fish? You eat fish?
No,
Why? Really? Sure. You don't eat?
I usually eat the fish, but I don't like it.
You don't like it. The same with Jillian. Okay, we eat fish in the house, but she doesn't like it that much. Eat sometimes, but not really. How about Messi? Messi eats? Oh no.
Missy
Messi.
is eat sandwich with me too.
Oh, how about vegetable? Do you eat vegetable?
Missy? What?
Yeah. You. Do you eat vegetable?
Missy won't?
Yeah, vegetable. Like
What's that?
carrots, like potato. You eat potato?
Yes,
What vegetable do you eat? Cabbage or broccoli? Do you eat broccoli?
I eat with salad,
Mm.
but
And
and
broccoli. Do you know broccoli? And
yes,
cauliflower.
yes, I know.
Cauliflower. You eat that one? I know.
No.
You don't like? But salad. Vegetable salad. I don't eat a lot of vegetable too. It's only choosy. I'm picky eater when it comes to vegetable. I don't eat green leafy vegetable that much. Like cabbage, I don't eat, but I eat broccoli. I eat cauliflower. I eat a little potato. I eat a lot, and other squash or pumpkins. I don't know how they call that in Vietnam. Mm, mushrooms. Do you eat mushrooms?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. So that's good. It's very good. So tomorrow, okay, so another day for school. How is it? How's your school so far? Do you enjoy your classmates?
Yeah, it's very tired.
Very tired. Why? How many are you in the classroom, Caroline?
What?
How many are you inside the classroom? Like inside the classroom, how many are you?
About the time.
Yeah, inside the classroom. How many? How many students do you have?
Um, 43.
43?
Yes,
Oh my God, so many.
43
Really?
for class. Yes,
43, one classroom only.
yes.
One section. Yeah,
The room is the room is big too. So
it's
I think
big.
it's
Yeah, it's, oh my God. In my I hope I can call you in the morning because in the morning I can show you our classrooms. If you are free, I can call you in the morning so you can see the classroom in junior high school. It's quite big, but we only have few students. Okay, it's so many for 43. How many teachers do you have in 43? Like inside the classroom, your advisor, how many advisor do you have?
um let me check.
One? And there's assistant teacher? Like
Each subject it has its teacher.
eight teachers.
Yes,
Yeah,
about
each subject has
about
different
13
teacher.
about 13 teacher for class.
Okay, because each subject has different teachers, right? Coming in.
Yeah,
Yes, okay, like English, different teachers, like math, different teachers, MAPE, what's the science, different teachers, right? It's different teachers. Okay,
yes.
but do you still have Vietnamese class, Vietnamese subject?
With the
You
Miss
have
teacher.
yeah, Vietnamese subject. You have Vietnamese subject.
Yes, we have ngữ văn.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. So let us start now. I hope you are gonna enjoy tomorrow. I know tomorrow is another day for you. Tomorrow we're gonna have practice. We don't have class tomorrow, Tono. Because we're going to have practice for the intramurals. Next week we're gonna have our intramurals. We don't need to school. I mean, we don't need to study because we have sports fests. Okay, so we have vocabulary. Caroline, punctual, it means early. Okay, not late. Punctually, it's adverb. If there is an ly, of course, we consider it adverb. Painless, not unpleasant, or not difficult to do, causing no pain. Nightlife, entertainment that is available in the evening and at night. Okay, so another one. Please try to answer this one. We are now reading.
And then teacher.
Okay. Mm, University, please wait here while we check your books.
I choose letter A. Do, do not go away until we have checked your book.
Okay, it's letter A. Do not go away until we have checked your books.
Two, number two. I chose
Two
letter C.
is,
To remember
okay, why has Kim
letter C.
emailed Sally? This email is from Kim to Sally. What is your answer for this one?
I choose letter C. To remind her to do something.
to remind her to do something. Okay, next one.
And then
Okay, hospital waiting room. Please put all your children toys back in this room before you leave. Okay, what is it?
let it be. Please don't leave any toys
Very
outside
good.
this
Please
room when
don't
you
leave any toys outside this room when you go. Very good. Yay. Next, number 4. What is your answer?
Number 4, letter A.
Okay, it's letter
Letter A.
A. To arrive punctually, Ed should use a different route. It's road. Okay, last one.
And then teacher.
5. What is your answer? Not as big a city as we expected, but that's okay. Limited night's life though, there's plenty to see every day, and traveling around is painless. What is your answer?
Letter C.
Letter C. It's evening entertainment. Okay, very good because nightlife. So this one. Please try to use this. This will be starting to let you answer this one. Okay, the people below are looking for college courses like nursing, okay, like tourism, like hotel and restaurants, okay, like teaching. On the opposite page, there are description of 8 colleges and the courses they offer, so they have to choose. Okay, with accommodation, it means a place to live, work, or stay in. Part-time, it's for part of the day or week in which people work. It's not full-time, part-time, it's only half day like that. Full-time, all the hours of the week during which people normally work or study rather than just part of it. So part-time, it means morning until evening or afternoon. It's spare time, your free time. Facility is the buildings, the services, the equipment, etc. that are provided for a particular purpose. Please try to choose and write here the correct answer. Okay, can you see this, Caroline? Wait, Miha, I need to hide this one because teacher cannot see. I need to hide myself. Wait, Miha. I need to hide my Heads up. I will need to hide myself.
So, okay.
Wait me. I cannot. I need to hide myself. Okay, please read properly and answer. Okay, okay now?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, what is your answer? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will take note here. What is
I'm not
6?
done.
Number
I'm not done sure.
6. Ah, you're not yet done. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Sorry.
I'm done, teacher.
What's the answer? Number 6? Oh, wait, I will write your answer. Please tell me your answer. 6?
Number 6. D.
Mm-hmm. D. 7?
Yes. 7B.
B. 8?
Number 8. A.
A. 9?
9. F.
F. 10?
10. E.
E. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Let us check your answer if this is correct. Okay. C, D, B, G, 9. Oh, you got two correct answer. You find it hard. I know, Caroline, this part is really quite hard. Okay. So all of my students are complaining about this part, which is really hard for them. And that's why I understand because you need to match and you need to make sure that this is correct. Okay, it's okay. So this one, we have vocabulary, Caroline. Uh, uh, cannot see me. Okay. And then we have here key connections means traveling to another place. Connections. Okay, from one place to another or connecting flight. Historic means important in history. It's another historical. It's connected with the past. It's something which is connected with the past. A tax, a money that you have to pay to the government so that it can pay for public services. Like we have the tax. So please try to match this. Write A if you think it is correct and B if it's not correct.
I'm done, teacher. Teacher.
Okay. So, sorry, Caroline, I cannot open. Okay. So, number one, can you hear me, Caroline? Okay, one, we have, okay, 11, what is your answer? Uh,
11.
uh,
Let-
11, B?
Letter A.
Okay, 12.
12. B.
Okay, 12, B? 13.
13. B.
13, eh. Okay, 14.
14. B. 2.
Okay, 15.
15. A.
Okay, 16. You must write to the newspaper for a special application form. 15 is,
B.
okay, 17.
17. A.
18.
18. B.
Okay, and 19.
B.
Okay, it's B. Okay. And the last one is
A.
20. A. Okay. So thank you so much, Caroline, for answering this one. And thank you for see you, Caroline, on Thursday, 9 p.m. again. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Caroline. Good night, Caroline. And please take care tomorrow. If you have some concern, if you have something to ask, please don't hesitate to tell teacher. You can message me if you have something to ask. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Bye-bye. Good night.
Goodbye, teacher. Bye bye.
Good night.